Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value solution. X power 6 plus x power 4 equal to 12. Here x power this 6 can be written as 2 times 3 plus x power this 4 can be written as 2 times 2 equal to 12. As per this express identity that a power m times n equal to a power m whole power n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get x power 2 whole power 3 plus x power 2 whole power 2 equal to 12. Now let us assume that x power 2 equal to p. So applying this here, so p power 3 plus p power 2 equal to 12. Now p power 3 plus p power 2, moving this 12 left hand side, so minus 12 equal to 0. Now here p power 3 plus p power 2 minus this 12 can be written as 8 minus 4 equal to 0. Now p power 3 plus p power 2 minus this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 minus 4 can be written as 2 power 2 equal to 0. Now p power 3, this power we are moving here, 2 power 3 plus this one p power 2 minus 2 power 2 equal to 0. Now here we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a power 3 minus b power 3 equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This we are going to apply here. So p power 3 minus 2 power 3 plus p power 2 minus 2 power 2 equal to 0. Applying that algebra formula here, so we'll get here p minus 2 p square plus p2 plus 2 square, for this p plus 2 p minus 2 equal to 0. Here p minus 2 common out, so p minus 2. Now this is remaining p square plus 2p plus 2 power 2 is 4 plus this p plus 2 equal to 0. Now p minus 2 p square plus this and this is 3p plus this and this is 6 equal to 0. Here we have two equations, that one is p minus 2 equal to 0, other one is p square plus 3p plus 6 equal to 0. From this p equal to plus 2, this is the p value here. Here we are going to apply this a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 6. So p equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This we are going to apply here. So minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 times 1 times this 6 by 2 times 1. Now here minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus this is 24 in square root by 2. Now minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 15 by 2. Now this can be written as minus 3 plus or minus square root of 15 I by 2. Here we have P1 equal to minus 3 plus square root of 15 I by 2. Other one is P2 equal to minus 3 minus square root of 15 I by 2. This is the imaginary solution. Now we are going to take this P equal to 2. From here, recall x square equal to P. Now, as we found that P equal to 2, applying this here, x square equal to 2. Now, take a square root on both sides. So, plus or minus square root of 2. Now, this square and square root will cancel each other. Now, we have x equal to plus square root of 2 comma minus square root of 2. This is the x value. Now we are going to verify this x value with verify x power 6 plus x power 4 equal to 12. Applying this value here, x power 6 plus x power 4 equal to 12. Applying this value, x equal to square root of 2 whole power 6 plus square root of 2 whole power 4 equal to 12. Now, the square root of 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 6 plus 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 4 equal to 12. Now, do simplify this. You get here 3, here you will get 2. So, 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 equal to 12. Now, this is 8 plus this is 4 equal to 12. So, 12 equal to 12. So, LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.